What's up, guys? So today I want to share with you the payday routine that I go through every time that I get paid that enabled me to be able to accumulate $33,000 since April. So that's over the last 5 months because I've been doing this every time I get paid. Doesn't matter where the money comes from because I have different sources of income, but I do this routine every time that I get paid. And now because of it, I have 33K. I was just looking at all my different investment accounts, my high yield savings account, my checking account, and added it all up together. And I was like, oh, that's cool. And so I'm going to make this really quick, really short because it's so hot out here right now. And I have my car, the AC isn't running so that it's not making a bunch of noise for you. So number one, first thing that I do when I get paid is I pay off the credit. As soon as the money comes in, I pay the credit cards, the full balance on the credit cards. And, so this way I'm not getting charged interest month after month. And as soon as I pay off all the credit cards, the full balances on all of them, then I take that number, what's left, and I split it in half. So let's say that I get paid $3,000 and there's $1,000 that is, on my credit cards. I paid that 1,000. I'm left with 2,000. Well, I split that in half. 1,000 of that 2,000 that's left over goes towards high yield savings and investing. The other 1,000 is what I use to pay my bills, my rent, that's what I live off of that check. And so, of course, I make more than $3,000 a month. It's somewhere around 6,000 right now, but that's just what I do. I'm not going to get into the details of investing, but the whole point here is, because I have a lot of other videos on the channel about that if you want to check those out, but the whole point here is make sure that after you want to pay off the credit card so that you're not paying interest on this money, right? But after you pay those credit cards off, you want to make sure that you are putting your money somewhere where it's actually gaining interest. You don't want to be paying the credit card companies. You want to be in the position that they're in, where your money is going somewhere and it's making you more money because it's sitting there, whether that's in the S&P 500, the stock market, high yield savings accounts. What I do is I like to keep 25% of my money in cash. So it goes into a high yield savings account. The other 75% goes into different stocks that I've picked. So that's what I do. I basically keep my checking account. It almost goes to zero every time I get paid because I don't want to stack money in my checking account. I want to stack money in my high yield savings account and in my investment accounts and make sure that all my bills are paid. So hope that helps. Try it out. See you in the next one.